Didn't talk to nobody, saw no people, heard no evil. Probably turned your phone off, drove with no destination, no navigation, off-road to outer places, past the city limits, become an out-of-towner, not a 9-to-5er. I'm around enough, born the only child, was never lonely, straight from the homie, but don't lose touch. There's a place where you find alone. I keep riding, trying to find it, but time is low. Yeah, he told me drive slow. I keep my eyes outside, peeled for the next sign to go. There's a time when you find your soul, and time to disregard yellow lines in the road. Not sure what's expected, here come the exit. I'll be back, but for now, who knows?
I gotta find my mind, so I'm wrong, but nowhere to go.
I'm on my own.
Quick before my brain explodes, I'm out.
I'll be back, but for now, who knows?
Stay low, late night, I don't know.
A different day comes, another one goes.
I ain't searching for help or hurt, and for rest I need me in myself.
I found a place, I found a phrase, a sentence. Instead of exit, waiting at the entrance. Stay beneath the surface until earth pushes me back. Turf is territory, I'm watching the map. Where I go, who I interact. My options, I weigh them. Can't get a plane, got thoughts about AM. Say to myself, use caution, it's mayhem. Alive on arrival, I'm staying. It's called survival, and only strong survive. Melly Mel got live, and crime never stopped paying. There's a time when you find your lane, and time to disregard what the people are saying. A CA state of mind that I'm in, off on my own shit in solitary confinement.
So I'm wrong, but nowhere to go.
I'm on my own.
Quick before my brain explodes, I'm out.